Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motormatch Chester, wanting to share with you today this incredible looking BMW X4 Coupe, available here in the 20D M Sport xDrive version, and it comes packed full of factory fitted equipment, so definitely check out that list in the description below. The exterior is painted in this lovely red colour and features the likes of automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as anthracite grey 5-spoke alloy wheels that certainly complement the paint. In the rear, M badging, full LED taillights, and even the convenience of a power-operated tailgate will come in handy when your hands are full of shopping. 40-20-40 split folding seats are available to create even more space, and inside, upgraded cream upholstery is certainly complemented by red stitching and accents carrying the exterior inside the cabin. The glass sunroof is a nice addition as well, and in the front, decorative door and dash inserts will complement the cabin, with front sports seats that are also electrically adjustable for maximum comfort. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel capable of operating most functions when on the drive, as well as a part digital instrument cluster. Various drive modes are available to suit your needs, and moving over to the center, the BMW professional media system will have all your entertainment needs covered, with various multimedia add-ons such as those displayed on the screen, and a sound system that can be optimized thanks to being a Harman Kardon. AM, FM and DAB digital radio receptions are on offer, as well as Bluetooth pairing for all family and friends. If that wasn't enough, you'll be pleased to know there's built-in satellite navigation to ensure you never ever get lost, with various other contacts and connected drive concierge services on offer. Best of all, the car also comes with comprehensive vehicle information and status functionality, letting you know everything there is to know about this BMW, with the likes of a comprehensive digital service history, as you can see here for yourself. It's an incredible piece of machinery and definitely one to look out for. To help you park, you'll be pleased to know front and rear sensors will complement a rear view parking camera, and whatever the weather, easy to use 2-zone climate control system is available with heated front seat functionality as well. Moving further down, loads of cabrio storage, various controls, deep center armrest and easy manual sunshade light to operate the glass sunroof.